Don't let the size fool you. The Pony 3700 LD light-duty bar clamp is a workhorse for its size and design. Used by do-it-yourselfers, hobbyists, woodworkers, metalworkers, and professional tradespeople of all types. The design allows the sliding head to hold securely at any point along the bar to guarantee no slipping. The sliding head is threaded to accommodate the easy grip handle, screw, and swivel pad. All adjustments are made with the movable sliding head, making this style fast and easy to open and close and perfect for use in confined spaces. Protective pads are made of thick, durable plastic to ensure your work is protected. The clamps rest parallel to your work surface for easy work placement and adjustment. The light-duty bar clamp has a 2-inch reach, 4, 6, 8, and 12-inch opening capacity, and a 300-pound test load limit. Pony also offered these clamps in medium and heavy-duty styles with opening capacities from 6 inches to 36 inches and test load limits from 600 pounds to 1,000 pounds.